All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. So today is going to be another edition of Ask Surfside PPC, and specifically, it's going to be how do I find new content ideas and new keyword ideas for my business. So the person that asked this specifically had a pool care and pool supply company, so they're asking for some ideas based around that company specifically, where they sell different pool supplies to people who own swimming pools. So let's get started. For this example, I am going to use the Google Keyword Planner. So if you go to Google AdWords, go to sign into your account. Under Tools, the top corner, click on Keyword Planner and it'll open it. If you don't like using the Google Keyword Planner, if you don't have a Google Ads account, we have a video tutorial with 6 free keyword research tools we love. It's one of the more recent videos on our channel, so you should be able to find it pretty easily. Published March 27th. If you go to the description, you could actually see all the different keyword tools we recommend. So it's SERPs, keywordtool.io, searchvolume.io, answerthepublic.com, and then Uber Suggest. So neilpatel.com/Uber Suggest is a great keyword planner or great keyword tool for planning your keywords. So just some other tools you can look at if you don't want to use the keyword planner or if you're looking for some other data. So we're going to click on Find Keywords here, and we're going to enter 3 keywords. So pool care, pool supplies, pool repair. So just enter 3 keywords that are really related to your business or what you're trying to rank for right now. So if you have a large business, related to marketing, maybe you're trying to, find some more content marketing ideas. Maybe you're trying to find some more PPC advertising ideas. So just enter the keywords here that you're looking to rank for, where you're trying to find more keyword ideas, more content ideas, what type of content you're trying to build. So we're going to click on Get Started. So it will pull the search volume at the top up here. It's going to pull for the last 12 months, so you can update that if you want. Obviously, with swimming pools, it's all going to be geared towards the spring and summer. So it's going to pull a bunch of different keywords here, probably hundreds of keywords related to pools, pool supplies, all sorts of different things that people need to repair with pools. So I'm going to keep it pretty simple here, and we're going to choose pool cleaners and pool chemicals. So 2 different keywords that I want to choose here. We're going to start with pool cleaners. So the first thing I would do is come to the Google Keyword Planner again, type pool cleaners up top here into keyword ideas. This line right here where it says exclude adult ideas, where you have this, funnel looking thing. If you click on it, you can do keyword text. So it's going to say keyword text contains, and I like to make sure I have pool cleaners in there since we're trying to find keywords related to pool cleaners. I'd rather just have that keyword text contains in there. Okay, so what it's going to do is pull the top keywords by relevance. You can just pull by average monthly searches. So it's going to say, here are the top pool cleaner related searches for the month. So get a bunch of ideas. So you could just start copying and pasting these and start getting some ideas. But let's just say, instead of doing that, another quick idea that you can do is, you take pool cleaners here, you take your main keyword that you're optimizing for, and we're going to come over here and we're going to add it up at the top as our main keyword. So we're going to enter pool cleaners here. So I'm just going to go to step 2. So we have pool cleaners at the top. So now what I want to do is find long tail keywords related to this top keyword of my pool cleaners. So what I'm going to do is just come right into Google. I'm going to search pool cleaners, and I'm going to come right into Bing and I'm going to search pool cleaners, and then scroll to the very bottom of both of them and just copy and paste these related searches at the bottom for both. So copy and paste those. And what we're going to do is paste them into here, and that's going to bring us to step 3. So now this is just a list with duplicates removed of, copy and pasting the things people are typing into Google, the things people are typing into Bing most often, and we're going to copy and paste them right into here. So this is where you might want to come back to the keyword list that we had earlier. So when we search pool cleaners, this is where you might want to come in here and look for some more ideas. So top rated pool cleaners for sale, commercial pool cleaners. So that's something I don't have on my list. So what I would do is take commercial pool cleaners, come up here, long tail keywords, and add commercial pool cleaners. So that's kind of what I like to do is start with the main keywords you want to target, and then put that into Google, put that into Bing, and then scroll all the way to the bottom of both and copy and paste the related searches into here. So that's how I found all these different long tail keywords. And then if you come back to the Google Keyword Planner where you have pool cleaners, make sure your keyword text contains that. and then you scroll to the bottom, you should be able to find a ton of different options here as well, for content ideas, keyword ideas, things that you can use to rank, that will drive traffic to your website, that will get people to buy products from your website. So that's the whole goal that we have here. So now we have a ton of long tail keywords here now, about 15 of them. And what I want to do is start coming up with some content ideas. So I want to take these long tail keywords and kind of group them together to come up with, the top content ideas related to pool cleaners. So we're going to come to step 4. I've already done this, and here's what I've kind of come up with. So the main things I was able to pull out was above ground, in ground. So automatic is really popular. Robot, that's very popular. Obviously, Dolphin is a brand name. Hayward looks like a brand name as well. Pinch a Penny looks like a brand name, and Polaris is a brand name. So we have all these different options here, and just make sure I'm adding my keyword that I added in the last step. So commercial pool cleaners, and we're just going to come over to content ideas, and we're going to do commercial pool cleaners. So now I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different content ideas just related to this one pool cleaners. And up at the very top, I always put pool cleaners main page. So you want to have a page for your main keyword pool cleaners here where you kind of have a list of all these different, sub pages, things that are related to pool cleaners. And then on your main page, whatever it is, you want to have great content, you want to have products for sale, things that will help you rank for that main keyword. So now we have a total of 10 pages. If you don't have any of these pages added to your website, you get them all added, you get great written words, great written content on each of the pages. You get great images of products on each of the pages. You're going to start ranking better in Google, and this is really how you come up with some content ideas based around a main keyword using long tail keywords. So now I want to do it with another keyword. We're going to come back. I want to do pool chemicals. So a little bit different, but kind of similar to pool cleaners, but pool chemicals. So the first thing, obviously, come to keyword ideas, the keyword planner, enter pool chemicals. Make sure you come in this filter section, do keyword text contains pool chemicals, apply. Now it's only going to pull those types of keywords. So if you see anything like Walmart here, I don't ever try to optimize for those keywords because those people are looking specifically for the Walmart store or Walmart.com. So we're going to come back here and we're going to go to step 5. So step 5, we come down to the next step. So main keyword, it's going to be number 2. It's going to be pool chemicals. And I went into Google already, typed it in, went into Bing already, typed it in, went to the bottom for both, copied and pasted them into my spreadsheet. So now I'm coming to step 6. So these are all the long tail keywords I found based around pool chemicals. So now we're going to want to get to step 7 where we come up with content ideas. So step 7. So the content ideas for pool chemicals I found based on these is cheap pool chemicals, list of pool chemical calculator, cheat sheet, guide, wholesale, and then obviously we have the main page up here where we're going to want to have our content, products, things like that, and then a link, links to all these different pages. So this is really how I go about finding different keywords, different content ideas. We have a lot of different options now. We have almost 20 different content ideas. And if you want to look for, maybe some search volume and things like that, if you come back up to tools here, we're just going to reopen the keyword planner, do get search volume and forecasts. So all you need to do is come down here, copy your list, come down here, copy your list, and then we'll do pool cleaners, pool chemicals. So click get started. So now you can actually get search volume and forecasts for all these different keywords. It's going to use a max CPC. So let's just say, for example, we'll just set a $1 max CPC. And it's going to say, here's the keywords, here's how many clicks, impressions, cost, all those things you're going to be able to get in the next month. Obviously, this is based more around advertising than it is, for organic search results. But you can kind of see, what the top keywords are going to be. So pool cleaners, obviously popular. Robotic pool cleaners, popular. Pool chemicals, Dolphin pool cleaner, Polaris. So you can kind of see what the most popular keywords are. And then down at the bottom, you can see pool chemical cheat sheet, not going to get much. Pinch a penny, not going to get much. So maybe, don't go after these ones as much as the ones up top here. So robotic pool cleaners looks like a great keyword that you absolutely want to optimize for. Dolphin pool cleaners looks like another great keyword that you do want to optimize for. And maybe set, down here you get to about cheap pool chemicals. There's really not too much here. Pool chemicals calculator. So I would probably do from here on up. So take all of these keywords, and now you have, let's see, 11 different options for new content that you can add to your website. Plenty of search volume there, plenty of ways to drive more traffic to your website and increase sales. So, some different ways to find some new content ideas, some new keyword ideas for your website. Basically, I kind of use a three-step approach. So, take the main keyword, find a bunch of long tail keywords related to that main keyword, and then focus on, ranking for that main keyword, and then having all of these long tail keywords as well that, really when Google looks at your page, someone types in pool cleaners. If you have all these different pages along with a great main page of pool cleaners, Google's going to put you towards the top of search results. It's that simple. So finding content, finding long tail keywords, it's really pretty easy. I mean, it's just the most difficult part is creating content, which we're going to have a follow up video for how to create great content. So stay tuned for that. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and thank you for watching our video.